In this video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a card.co template. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is card.co. From in there, you should be able to see here two options. So you can click on this choose a starting point if you do not have an account yet. But if you already have an account, you can head over and then just click on this login option. And then from there, just head over and input right here your actual credentials in order to successfully log in. Let me head over and input right here mine. As you can see, I have successfully entered my actual dashboard right here. So in here, you can actually copy a template. For example, you can click on this new site, and then from in there, you can click on this My Templates option. And in here, you can see all of the templates that you have made, or you can also get one from the default templates that you have available from Card. So for example, here are some templates that you can choose from right here. You can just head over and select them in this in order to copy them. So another option is if you already have a pre-built site, just like I did right here, and you want to copy it, what you can do is you can just utilize these options right here. You can see this icon, which is the fourth icon. You can head over and then click onto this right here, and you can actually make a copy of this particular site, essentially making a copy of this template as well. So you have those options right here. You can copy the site, you can create a new site, and then get templates from the default templates or get ones from the My Templates that you have created right here. If you want to add your own template into this case, like for example, in here is this one, you can utilize these options that you can see right here. You can add it, you can share this site, you can transfer the site to another user, copy it, archive, pin this, and also manage this site right here in order to add it as your template. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.